Hello everyone, back to New York and already anticipating a possible trade entry here on the 15-minute actually. I was watching this before stream. Actually we are in the kill zone already, so as you can see we did have a structure break sorta on the 15-minute chart right here. It's on the euro. This one is based on the euro. Also looks good on the 5-minute as well. I like it so far. Because the dollar index is, yeah, it decided to turn around. We do have sort of a valid structure break in dollar index. So we have a possible chance here. Let's look at this closer. Fair value gap here. Yeah, we have a structure break there. We definitely do have a structure break there. What I'm looking to do here is actually maybe having a pending order. We are already okay. Anyway, pending sell would be at 77. Let's make it 79. All right, so that would be a fair value gap right there. That would give us like a few points or pips. TP1 and 2. Yeah, we should be all right. We should be all right with that target. And we still have a trade on gold. Well, let's look at the pound so far. It also had a structure break. But the reason why I don't really like the pound is that it was so close to 126. Although tempting. Not a clear structure break there. So that's why I don't like it. The euro dollar had a much better structure break here. So if we look at that swing, that would give us a much better entry. And a very nice target down here. A very nice target down there. For me it would be much more logical to trade that one. Oh yeah, let's update this. We already had a win, the break even today. So that right there would give me much more confirmation on the 15-minute chart. This one I don't like that so much. What else do we have? Nothing. All right. So our best bet, and this is just a limit order, which I have right now here, is to tap into that fair value gap right here, and maybe we'll get an entry point right there. Otherwise, nothing Nothing serious that I see. Nothing serious that I see. Our gold trade is still ongoing. So far, this was today's morning. This is the new challenge. If someone is new, check out my new video about the 25k challenge, which I started. Armin, hey there. Hey there, buddy. How are you doing in this session? I forget how. What's the? I mean, what is the time at your place? What is the hour at your place right now? Is it evening, morning, lunchtime, same as here, or I don't know. Just curious. Okay, we're still in the gold trade. Tried to scalp this this pound, as you can see. Tried to scalp it, didn't lose money, but these were all some scalp trades here. Oh, that was done. These last 1, 2, 3, 4 trades were scalps on the pound, but it turned against me. So right now it's okay. Then it's basically the same as here. Same here. All right. That's good, you know, because you can trade in London and New York. You can decide what you want to do. Oops. So I tried to go for that pound, but it just never happened. Now I would be going short on euro on the 15-minute chart, since it took out this liquidity so nicely. I mean, that buy side was taken out real nicely, and we have so much targets on the downside. Not sure if it's gonna happen. And also the dollar index changed direction, so that's why I was thinking to choose maybe a long entry here. So we're still sitting in that gold trade, already at break even. And waiting for euro maybe to retrace back up there, and maybe it will give us an entry there on the 15. This is based on the 15-minute, and the reason why I'm going short is that euro has taken out some buy side from yesterday and previous days, and dollar index changed direction. So I thought, you know, why not? Why do we have to overcomplicate things? That's the only reason. Yeah. This is S&P. I don't see anything there. And this is pound. Good thing I exited from pound. So technically, not too much thing is happening here. Dollar index. 15-minute. This is a dollar index 15-minute chart. Actually, it's a 5-minute chart. Did a structure break. Let's go to trading view. Dollar index. It was kind of a structure break. I would consider to go long. This structure break can only be damn it, I can't speak. This structure break can also be seen on the 15-minute chart as well. I'm going to remind myself for this. There's a structure break on the dollar index. So a reversal could be happening here, but this is just an indication. What I'm looking for is this fair value gap on the euro dollar. We have a nice 15-minute fair value gap. Hopefully we'll get repriced. Otherwise, nothing. So far, nothing. Just waiting. So my only possible entry is on the euro, a pending sell limit order. I'm only risking $100, which is even less than 0.5% on this account. But so far the account is up $74 net. So I know it's nothing, less than 0.5%, but you know, I had to start the day somehow. It was a very slow session. Basically nothing happened. So yeah, it is what it is. Gold might be coming back down. I didn't took entry today, and I've been here since 4 a.m. Well, you know what, Armin? I admire you. I admire you. Totally. You know, days like this, actually, I shouldn't have taken any entry. Look at this, what I was doing. I was scalping up here like crazy. I should be actually happy that I ended up break even on those trades. Made a few bucks here on the last one, but I closed them manually. This was off stream, so I'm not even counting those small scalps. But but you know, my target almost got reached. It was almost like, how much was it? The high was 99.6, and my TP was at the round number 26. So my TP got missed with 0.4 pips. I was a little bit, yeah, so it was crazy. Nothing to do here, technically. Everything slowed down, and the only thing I see is the euro taking out that buy side and leaving a fair value gap after a structure break on the 15 minute. That's the only possible entry I see right now, and I'm only considering it because the dollar index changed direction as well. So if someone is new here, guys, there's the dollar index, took out sell side, changed direction with the fair value gap. Anything can happen. And by the way, you know, guys, don't forget the like button. Thank you so much. Don't forget the like buttons. Thank you. Actually, just the like button. Thank you so much. So that's the only thing. This is the euro again. This is the euro. Let me put a text here so it will be easier. So it would be much better for me if this thing would retrace a little bit and then go down into this 15-minute fair value gap. But it seems like it's not gonna do that. I know I'm jumping all around between charts, so this is just a little help here, so you guys can track what I'm doing. This is also a structure break, but not that clear. I don't like when it breaks it only with the wick. Although we had a full down close candle, I still don't like this break here. Even if I go out to the 30-minute, I don't like it. Don't like it on the hourly. So yeah, I think our entry, oops, on the euro dollar is most likely gonna be missed on the 15-minute on that fair value gap. So we're waiting. Yeah, look at that. It's going down. Gold. Gold might try to do a structure break to the downside. That's it so far. We're in the gold trade still. This is the gold 15-minute chart. Down. It doesn't look good, guys. This one would be an ideal entry. This is euro again. This is the euro chart on the 15-minute time frame. This here would be great for a possible short entry if it would refill this gap here, but nothing. I don't see any entry that would fit to my criteria. We have sell side on pound here and here, so I would go with 65. If this 5-minute candle would close the way like this as a structure break or a shift in structure, actually already we're having a shift in structure, but if this candle would be broken with this down close candle, I might want to jump into a possible short. We have like a 10 pips range here as well, so we would have a 1-to-1 target to go short. But first we have to wait for this candle to close, and we have to check on dollar index as well, but so far dollar index would support the idea. So it's the waiting game, guys. It's the waiting game. Not much to do. Not much to do here. Our gold trade, the second portion, is melting. Although the first part was fairly good. But this is melting. This is melting. So it's the waiting game. 5-minute candle closing in 1 minute and 20 seconds. And this is gonna drop only 5 pips away from that low. It's gonna take it out, I guess. We'll see. 1 minute to close this 5-minute candle. Yeah, it's gonna take that out. Sell side is gonna be taken out. There was no possible entry here, just saying. None. Well, maybe here, but it was before kill zone started, so yeah. Next sell side is gonna be here, but I'm gonna be waiting with that. Yeah, and this one as well on the euro. The gap is still around equilibrium, so we could say it's still a valid trade. This is gold again. Gold actually, as crazy as it sounds, it might actually be good for short, but the problem and the reason why I'm not shorting is that there was no liquidity sweep, so it's not good for entry criteria. So this trade is still on. Didn't take buy side up there. We're waiting. Okay, now the pound 5-minute has closed. So how about we go here All right. Pending should be at so. Hey, Roll. Hey there. What's going on, dude? Thank you for dropping in the stream. Drop a like if you can, please. Everything is going fine. I'm just eyeballing this potential setup on the pound dollar if it retraces before it's if it wants to take out sell side, then I might be jumping into a small position under retracement to oh my god, what did I do? So if it goes back here, I doubt that it will go gonna go back up. So my entry would be a little bit below, well, 72, maybe 73. But then I would have to, yeah, I would have to put that over there. Okay, so far that's a possible entry. And we have a possible entry on the euro as well. Also around equilibrium. Let's look at the dollar index. It's good. It's good for us. Other than that, nothing. Nothing so far. This candle is closing in 1 minute and 30 seconds. It would be great if it would retrace back up and then take out sell side, because there's my limit order. Candle closing in 1 minute and 12 seconds. Guys, it's super boring. Nothing is happening, by the way. But this is how trading is. Don't expect any action. I might not even going to take any trade. I'm waiting for pound to retrace into this imbalance, reprice it somewhere near to equilibrium, and then I will have a range for a 1-to-1 risk reward to take out this dotted line, which is sell side liquidity. I have a pending order here. Not the most perfect entry actually, but that's what I'm looking for. This candle is going to close in 15 seconds now. Terribly boring, I know. So it's the waiting game, guys. New candle started on the 5 minute. If we go back here, it's fine. We'll be taking a short. If it takes this dotted line here, then I'm just scrapping the trade, and I need this one to go all the way back to around 72. This would be my entry level, this pending sell limit order. It's very close actually. It's less than 5 pips away. Our gold trade is still on. This is the second portion. So we are at break even on this trade. Let's see if the pound wants to retrace to the optimal level and then enter. And this is euro again. Nothing. Let's check trading view. Same here. What a surprise. What a surprise. Okay, this is the pound again. There. If we would get this retracement around here, I would consider that as a valid entry to go short with a 1-to-1 at least, or I might just leave it there to, you know, do whatever it wants to do, but that's what I'm waiting for. Almost there, but you know, it might not even going to reach there because where is that? What the hell is happening, man? Alright, I'm not touching it because it messes up this EA. Anyway, I have a different chart which shows equilibrium 73.4. So yeah, if it takes it, it's great. If not, it's cool. Okay, euro is getting back up there as well. This is a 15-minute entry pending order. I'm using this freaking EA, which is, I'm still uncomfortable using this EA, but this is the only one I have for MT5. By the way, if you want to have something better for MT4, you can check it in my download links. You can get the EA, Trade Manager EA, for a small donation if you can help out the stream. Man, why am I tired? Okay, pound went back into that range. I wonder if it wants to go all the way up there to equilibrium and enter the trade. Maybe not. If it goes from here, I don't care. I just don't care. This is, you know, from here we could see that it will going to drop sharply below 25.65. If it's not taking my entry, I don't care. I'm perfectly fine. My optimal entry would be around 50% equilibrium level. If it doesn't want to go there, I'm perfectly happy. I'm perfectly happy. This would be the sell side liquidity at this dotted line. And the euro is still undecisive. Guys, please don't forget to drop a like, please. Drop a like, guys. Thank you so much for the support. And sub to the channel, you know, because I'm going to be doing this challenge. Check out my new video I uploaded yesterday. It's going to be awesome. We're turning $100 to 1,000 with magic. With only risking, well, maximum 1 or 2%. But most likely less. It's magical. It's going to be magical, guys. We passed FTMO challenge last week. I'm already at phase 2 on that one, but this one, this my funded effects account, is going to be much more interesting, I think. So FTMO at phase 2. This is just phase 1. I chose the two-phase challenge because I don't like the trailing stop. I really don't like the trailing stop loss. I mean, in terms of equity. I don't want that, so that's the only downside of the one-phase challenge, the trailing stop. So I would rather go with the two-phase challenge to have a static stop there. I need the wiggle room for the account. And there's no time limit. I like it so far. It's very good. No time limit. So I like it. Alright. We're basically stuck at no man's land. Alright. Yeah. Guys, I don't see anything besides these possibilities. If Pound would want to go down here and take out sell side, I would be much more happier, because then I would not have to watch this clicking everywhere. Yeah, come on, let's get on with it, Pound, and I will be much more happier. Come on, Pound, you can do it. It's only 1 pips. So that would be an optimal entry on euro, but honestly, I'm getting confused. Dollar index made a change in character or market structure shift, however you want to call it. Although on the 1 hour, I don't know, not that clear. Not that clear. Lots of buy side up there, so so I would love to see Forex pairs drop, but after they took my entry. Saint J, hey there. Hey there, my man. And this is for everyone who is here, and please drop a like, don't forget it.
Speakers.
Speakers. Alright. I'm doing great, Saint J. Good to see you back. It's awesome to see you back. Passed the FTMO challenge on Friday. Put a post on it on the community tab, and also started a new challenge. I'm already doing phase 2 on FTMO, but this one is a much more special one because, okay, there we go. Pound is taking this. So this one is a much more special one, although it's just a 25k challenge. A brand new 25k challenge account at my funded FX. So hopefully I can turn $100 to $1,000. That's the goal. So check out my latest video, and I explain everything there. So I'm doing quite alright. We had some nice trades. Actually one gold trade in the London session, took partial profit. Then I tried to go on with the pound, but took me out break even. So we're technically $74 up on this 25k account, which is, I know it's nothing, but we're gonna get there. And so far my only valid entry is a short on the 15-minute on the euro, so I'm still waiting for that if it wants to retrace back up there. The pound just took out sell side. Next sell side is down below, right there. It was because of the Sunday market open gap. Might go down there. We're gonna keep an eye on it for sure. Dollar index made its move, so change direction for now. So I'm looking for That's it. That's what I'm looking for. And we'll have the portion of the gold trade open. Otherwise, there's nothing on the markets, nothing to see. And just give me a moment. I'll be right back with a coffee. All right? Do not go anywhere. Nobody goes anywhere. Stay here and drop a like. All right? Thank you, guys. Come on, guys. Where did everybody go? Ah, you're giving up on me too early. You guys are just giving up on me too early. I'm still holding, yeah. I'm still holding, Naga. I'm definitely going to hold this. Good to see you, Naga, by the way. How are you doing, my friend? I'm sorry, I'm just eating my dessert after lunch. Some vanilla pudding. So far, nothing. There is still an optimal trade entry to go short on the 15-minute on euro, but I'm not sure if it's gonna go there. Dollar index is going higher, which is great. You need 7% more to pay. You know, that's awesome, dude. You're in profit, so that's cool. That's cool. The main thing is that you are in profit. You know, that's all that matters. All that matters is that you're in profit and save the capital. Take me 1 week to get... You know, it's fine. Dude, 1% in 1 week is basically, I think, more than what 90% of traders can do. I mean, retail traders like us who are trading from home or, you know, by yourself. I think you did more than 90%. I mean, sorry. You are in that small little 5 to 10% percentage of people who can do that in the world of retail traders. So don't worry, dude. It's quite awesome. And anyway, actually, I think it's 5%. 1% in 1 week is perfectly enough for me. Funded account wise. It's even more than I can imagine. Alright, finished with my dessert. And still nothing has happened. Sorry, I was just picking my teeth. I didn't want you guys to see it. Okay. Bitcoin is interesting. I'm just watching it, you know, from the sidelines. By the way, I was listening to a lecture from ICT, and I like the sentence. He says that standing on the sidelines is actually a position, and I like that phrase. My funded account need 8% and one more for phase 1. Well, you know, I mean, even if you're not getting that 8%, just end up in profit and you will go again. You're doing great. Don't worry about that. This trade, it is not looking good. It might have to get scratched. Gold is still looking good. Sell side on pound. This is pound again. This is the pound. We have a Sunday opening gap here. Sort of a sell side liquidity below there. And we have Friday's low right there. This is the euro again. The euro is going lower. Okay, I'm scratching this trade. There. All right. No entry. God, somehow I feel tired. Even coffee can't help me. Yeah, as you can see, the fair value gap has got above the 50% entry level, so it's still sort of an okay entry, so we'll keep an eye on it, but I don't know. It's at the last entry point, above 50. It should be around 61 or 2% entry, so this is right at the optimal trade entry level, that gap. We can consider going short still. I might have to go back in with the EA. If it would want to sharply retrace back up, then I might consider it. I might consider it since the dollar index is still digging its way higher. So yeah. Let's put an alert here. All right. Just in case, if I would be on a different chart, don't forget that. Okay, the pound on the 15-minute broke structure here. This is the hourly pound. If the candle would close below, let me go. If the candle would close below this doji candle, then this would be a great structure break. So yeah, it can be interesting. This would be a great structure break, although I'm not sure we would have enough time during the London session to play all this out, because then it would have to go back here and then down back again. But let's wait for another 6 minutes if this one is going to close below this doji or not. All right. My God, look at that. The euro might be going up there. Who knows? Gold is going up. Actually, nothing is happening. This is not movement. This is nothing. So let's wait for pound. This is gonna give us an interesting scenario. This is the hourly pound dollar chart. If it closes below this doji, that could give us some kind of an indication of where price wants to go in this session. So far the euro, this is $0 again, and the gold, nothing. S&P, this made. Oh, hey, KRK Trading. Servus, Üdv. Fellow Hungarian. Our fellow Hungarian top trader joined the stream. Managed to... Okay, I look at this. S&P is interesting, although not really. Did it? I mean, this would be sell side. If someone wants to... I know. Forget S&P. I'm not even concentrating on S&P. Okay, so the hourly candle, that's what we're watching on pound. If it closes below that doji or not. Damn it. Excuse me. Ate too much that dessert. back is hurting sometimes. I'm getting old, guys. I'm getting old. It's not good. I'm gonna stay young. Don't forget to drop a like. Okay. I have to tell that all the time, because likes are keeping the stream alive, because then more people are going to show up. You know, that's the goal. More people. Because then I know it's worth my time trading here. Okay, pound looks good for the next sell side. If it closes way below that doji, then we might consider looking some short entries to take out that sell side. All right. Most likely the euro is not going to go back up there. Gold is still all right. And dollar index, this is the hourly dollar index, is still... It would be great to see it edge higher than this high here. It would be great to see that. So pretty much uneventful sessions here, and it looks like we are going to have that close below that doji, and this can create quite an interesting environment here, because yeah, it nearly took the 26 level. It didn't really take it. And we have the Sunday opening gap here as a potential sell side liquidity. And now it broke structure to the downside, so yeah. Although on the 4 hour and on the daily, I don't really see anything extra for... Let's see this one. I don't see anything extra... Trade history on the pound. As you can see, it repriced. This is the daily pound. It repriced this imbalance. It would be much more logical for it to just dip down, you know, all the way down. Lots of liquidity could be here. I would love to see that. Right? So now it is making a structure break on this candle. It is closing in 35 seconds on the hourly. Would be great to see how it will react after that. Okay, it's getting close to that doji. We still have 20 seconds for this one to close. If it goes above that doji candle, then it's not a clear structure break. I'm not considering it as a clear structure break. But I think it's going to close 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so this candle closed here. We have a clear structure break on the hourly. This is clear. But the big questions are coming. 13 pips away from Sunday opening gap. What can we do here, actually? This is the 5-minute. There's nothing here. The only reasonable entry to take out that sell side, drum roll, come on guys, drum roll, is that bearish order block. This right here. That would be a reasonable entry to enter on that bearish order block. So that would be interesting. And it's actually at quite a good place. I would love to see that falling from there. Do we see anything order block wise on the euro? Nothing. Damn it, this freaking optimal trade entry level is still up there. Hard to decide, man. We have structure break here. That's just a minor break. I don't really like that. We have a more significant one down here, but sell side is down there. So we could enter on the order block, I guess. If we want to take out sell side. And look at that. The order block is basically in the mid level. So it's at optimal trade entry level ish. 50% equilibrium. And that is on the 5-minute chart. What to do here? 5-minute chart. I'm gonna put a limit order there for now. I'm not saying that it will get triggered. I'm gonna put a limit order right there. Buy side, and the limit order would be right here. Stop loss, interesting. Where to put the stop loss? Well, if the TP2 should be at the 50 level, then let's measure it. That's 2R. It's gonna be a very, very, very tight stop with only 13 pips. Okay, so that would be a possible short entry right there on the bearish order block, which is on the 5-minute right here. But our goal is to go with the sell side here. At Sunday market open. Guys, whoever is here, new and not new, and everyone, please drop a like, push the like button. Thank you so much. So pending order on the pound based on a bearish order block and higher time frame, 50% equilibrium level. It's right there. Don't have really high hopes that it's gonna get triggered, so don't worry about that. On the euro dollar, we still have a fair value gap up here, which is definitely at optimal trade entry. But we have to consider if this was enough for euro dollar to let's go out here. If this was enough for euro dollar to go down and take out this sell side, there was a buy side here that has been taken. Was it enough? I don't know. I would sure as hell like to see some liquidity taken out below here on the daily. Relative equal lows, stuff like that, so why not? But it's under 15 minutes, so we have to wait for that as well. It's the waiting game, not forcing anything, guys. Oh, this looks terrible, this EA. I don't like it. So this is the pound. with the bearish order block here. Also inside of a inversion, this fair value gap can be used as an inversion gap, creating some resistance. Could be good, you know, could be good, but we have to wait. This is based on the 5 and 15 minute chart. Otherwise, I don't see anything on the 1 minute or so. So I'm just not doing anything there. I'm just leaving everything like that. Nothing on the 1 minute. Okay, great. So euro dollar, this is a 15 minute optimal trade entry level exactly here on this fair value gap. I have an alert here. Maybe I should put a limit order, right? Let's wait for now. And the dollar index, here you go, the dollar index. Let's check it out on TradingView. I know you guys hate MetaTrader. This is the dollar index. Did the market structure shift? This is the 15-minute chart. For now, it looks like it wants to go higher, but it's inside this imbalance. So if I go down and see a structure shift, then this is gonna just tank lower, but have to watch the dollar index, you know. But there is, you know, on the 1 hour dollar index, there's an interesting level here. This gap, look at this on the 1 hour. It's very interesting. This candle is almost technically at the same level on the wick as the wick on this candle. And here's an imbalance. So relative equal highs almost, like most likely on the 5 or 15-minute chart here. And good target for the dollar index. Why not, you know? It can happen. All right, let's go back. Let's go back. Pound and euro. Nothing. All we have is the gold trade. Guys, I'm talking too much to myself. I shouldn't. My neighbors think I'm an idiot, so. Okay. I don't care about the neighbors. Just saying. Couldn't care less about my neighbors. Futures are going to be opened up in 21 minutes. It is what it is. Nothing. A big nothing. We are waiting. Not much to tell. I know, guys, it's boring, but if you're expecting some action here, it's not gonna happen. And for this music, I'm just gonna go and sleep, alright? No, we're grinding here, we're hustling, we're trading the markets, so you know, just relax, guys. Sit back, relax, drop a like, watch the stream, watch how I speak to myself here, and listen to this cool chill out music, and you know, enjoy the stream. Okay, we have some retracement on the 15-minute, on the pound. Maybe this would be enough to go lower. I don't know. We have some targets below there. So our entry is on the 5-minute order block. All right, so far we're getting there slowly. We're going to scale up our trade size, by the way. These trades were only made with $100. If we lose, the next trade is gonna go up until 120 or $30, and I think so far that's gonna be the final optimal trade size on this account. $130, 120-ish per trade. I just need the loss. I don't need the loss, but I'm gonna wait for a stop loss to scale up the trade size. It's not going to the order block, not yet. Royce, hey there, nice to see you again. Everybody gets an applause, especially Royce. Yow. Drop a like, Royce. Thank you for being here. As you can see, we have a pretty exciting action-packed session. London session was pretty much nothing. And by the way, Royce, if you want an update, just check out my new video. It's on the main videos. I put it out yesterday. This is a new 25k account. I already passed the FTMO 50k. I'm doing the phase 2 there, but this one is going to do maybe a better content because I bought this for $100, and the goal here is to pull out $1,000, to invest $100 and to pull out $1,000. There was a coupon at my funded FX, so I thought that, you know, why shouldn't I? I bought a 25k account for only $100, and there is no time limit on this challenge. As you can see, no time limit, which is great. We're gonna have so much fun with this account, so much fun, and I'm gonna be able to publicly journal everything, and I'm gonna do a shareable link to my account, so you guys will be able to watch it. I will try, I'm not promising, but I'll try to fix my trade size. So I'm trying to do a reasonable trade managing or risk management here, because on the FTMO account I did some very crazy scalping. So this is going to be different. I want to prove to myself and anybody else who wants to take on a challenge that you definitely can pull out some money with a smaller-ish, well, it's actually not that small, with a smaller size prop firm account. Back in the days, by the way, a few years ago, there were no 100k accounts at prop firms. There was 10k and 15k accounts, just saying, you know. Yeah, exactly. There you go. You can. There was I paid $100 for this account yesterday. It was yesterday on the 11th of June. I paid $100. So where do you get actually a $100? I mean, a 25k account for $100? Nowhere. I mean, it was a no-brain deal. I had to take it. And actually, not because of my funded effects, but because I think, you know, having a no time limit is just great. So no pressure. We have all the time in the world, and I hope it's going to be an example for someone who has a little bit of money. Maybe don't put it to a private account and try to flip it, because then you have to risk like 30, 40, $50 per trade if you want to make some value, and you know, that's just crazy. That's gambling. So why not put it into a prop firm and try to scale it up properly, leverage, you know, you can use the account as a leverage, as a vehicle to pull out a bigger amount. So it's very simple, guys. All I have to do is pass phase 1, pass phase 2, and then reach at least 6% profit. That's it. Because most likely if I reach around 6% profit on a 25k funded account, I'm gonna be getting back around $800 or $900, and then also the refund. So I'm gonna be pulling out $1,000 from this account. 20k in my FF is 125 with reset. Yeah, it's less money and more expensive, but you get 12% drawdown. Exactly, I know that. Armin, you are absolutely right about that. I give it that. Yeah, absolutely. 12% drawdown is great. Is absolutely a good thing to have. If you are in a losing streak, then 12% is fine. The only down thing for me at my funded effects, also after, yeah, you can get $32 back instantly. I hand it to you. It's also a good deal. The down thing, or the bad thing in my funded effects is that we only have an 8% overall drawdown rule. So that's not too much, 8%. But you know, if the account is technically in profit, then we should be fine, because for example, if I go to 2% in profit with the account, and then I will have like 10% overall drawdown, available drawdown, and if I lose 10% from there, then I definitely messed up something, right? I messed up my management, I messed up risk managing, stuff like that. So, but the big thing I want to go with my funded FX right now is the no time limit rule, and you know, it was only $100 for 25k account, so I'm all right. It was all right. But my funded FX is definitely my forex funds. My forex funds is definitely a good deal. Is a good deal with that. Especially if you have a discount. So the no time limit for me is quite alright, because for example, you manage to take your account to 7% and at my forex funds, and you already used your 50 something days of challenge. It can happen, you know. Then you have to start all over. Yeah, both have their good things, and my forex funds is definitely a good choice. Because I'm not sure how I can manage my time stream-wise and everything. I have no time limit with this account, so for the stream and for publicly sharing the results and everything, this 25k account, I think it's perfect for me anyway. So no time limit, right? And if I mess up the risk management, that was completely my fault. It's not the market, it's not my funded effects. It was my fault then. This is my second attempt to trade on a MetaTrader 5 server. I was thinking to go with the MetaTrader 4 because I was trading MT4 for years. But, you know, I thought that why not? Why not go with MT5 again? But I changed the colors, guys. Maybe you noticed it. It's not green and red. I was talking about this in the London session. I was reading an article, basically, and a YouTube video too. that having green and red candles puts a much more mental challenge on you, on your decision making. If you see a red candle, that means bad. That means bad things are coming, you know. And your brain starts to rewire everything, and maybe you're going to have poor judgment. And you know, they clearly did like a search or something, a research about this, that red candles and green candles are putting extra pressure in your brain, because you see red and you start to, you know, you start to make you start to make poor decisions. So interesting thought. So no time limit is a game changer. I think no time limit would be like the new standard. Maybe not now, but in a few months, maybe a year, I think no time limit will be a standard on prop firms. They will see that the prop firms that are having the no time limit rule are going to be getting more buyers, more customers. Okay, let's see what's happening. The euro is going up there. I don't know what to do. I'm scared. I don't know what to do here. It's going to our optimal trade entry level. Should I enter into a euro short based on the 15-minute chart? That's the big question. We have the optimal trade entry right at where it should be. And the dollar index retraced a little bit, but if it will go up there, then it's actually a good position. What I'm looking here. You know what? I'm going to be putting back a pending order right there. Okay. Pending limit is right there. Should be all right here. All right. So this is my pending order for euro. If we go into that fair value gap, Christian, oh my god, another applause for a regular. Welcome. Welcome to the trading show. Rated R. There's a streamer on Twitch called Hollywood Bob. I like his streams so much. He's awesome. He has a good voice, like a commercial, like those, you know. He has a good voiceover for commercials and everything. I can't express myself now in English. And he always says like, "Welcome to the show, Rated R." Christian, I hope you're doing great. We finished the 50k FTMO phase 1 Friday. This is a brand new account. It's not the phase 2. I'm doing the phase 2, by the way, with a trade copier. But this is a brand new 25k challenge. I bought it yesterday for $100 from my funded effects, and this is going to be an account which I'm going to be publicly sharing on my forex funds and everything. No, it's not Dominion Markets. Karan, hey there Karan, thank you for dropping in the stream. This is not Dominion Markets, this is 8 cap. I just changed my colors to be like at Roger Banks. No, I did change the candle colors because, as I was saying, there's a new research. There's a new research that proves that if you see green and red candles, that's putting your brain into a much bigger decision pressure. So you're going to be having poor judgment. So I changed my candle colors from red and green. That's it. I don't even know what colors are these. I just changed them. So far it worked because in the morning we had a winner. So we have a gold trade open. I think this 15-minute candle is going to be repriced. Yeah. Yeah. There's actually a valid research out there. I can't show you now, but it was on YouTube as well. Amongst traders, it seems like watching red and green candles is putting your brain in a much more emotional state than seeing other colors. You're seeing a red candle forming, your brain starts to, you get much more anxiety and you get nervous and stuff like that as soon as you see those red candles. It's actually what is it called? Yeah, I just translated it. It affects your subconscious mind. That's what I meant to say. So your subconscious mind sees the red candle and sends the wrong signals to your brain to make the proper decision. So that's it. It has been proven by research. I just joined the stream and haven't seen your analysis, but have you covered? Yeah, I think somewhat, but we can go over it briefly because basically there's nothing here. Okay, I think I'm gonna scratch my pound trade as well. Hold on just a second. Let me delete the EA from my pound trade. Let's look at the euro just a second. Let's look at the euro. Some movement is happening just before market open. So the euro has taken out some buy side this morning in London session. And there is a very nice sell side here. This is the 30-minute, this is the 1 hour euro, as you can see on the 1 hour, and this is the 4 hour euro. We took out some buy side here, and up there not too much imbalance to reprice. I see more targets down here. This is the 4 hour again, this is the daily again. Oh yeah, I have a limit order still. This is the daily. I see much more targets on the daily and on the 4 hour. But the thing is that it took out buy side, Asia high and London high. It did a structure break here, right there, or here, with the down close strong candle. It left a fair value gap right at optimal trade entry. I have an alert here. So on the 15-minute time frame, it seems like if it retraces back here, it's a good opportunity to go short and take out the sell side. Other than that, I have no idea what's going on with the euro. This is the dollar index right now. I can go for the dollar index right here. The dollar index took out sell side in London session. This is the hourly dollar index. Took it out. Then if I go down the 15 and the 5-minute, as you can see, it took out sell side and it absolutely did a valid turn. And now it seems like dollar is going to get much more stronger. My target on the dollar index, I'm not trading, I'm just using it as an indicator, is this fair value gap on the hourly, I would say. So if this continues, because dollar just, changed direction, then I would assume that the euro and the pound should be dropping, right? And there is sell side liquidity here on the pound. I think I'm just going to, oh my god, we might have an entry here on the pound. I might just going to jump in, not right now, but on this fair value gap, because we're so close, only 10 pips range, so we are very close. We have a range, possible target range. Let's check this. Let's check this. Here is a fair value gap that I'm looking for. This candle is going to be closed in about 4 minutes. Are we going bullish from the FVG on 1 hour time frame? Oh, sorry, I didn't check that. I don't think so. I don't know. I just explained because dollar index is getting stronger. This delivered buy side, so I would not go bullish here after it delivered this to buy side. So I would not go bullish on euro just now. My second portion of the gold trade is, you know, coming back and it's melting the profits. No problem there, Karen. You're welcome. And so you're very welcome. And so what I'm looking is pound for a quick short scalp entry. But then again, my target on pound would be the Sunday opening gap right there. This is the hourly pound. This Sunday opening gap or sell side liquidity would be my target, but I need pound to actually retrace back to that fair value gap on the 5-minute. Actually, let's put one here as well. We're very close to that sell side liquidity. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a limit order. I'm going to leave it for, yeah. Yeah, so this limit order would be around here at 10 pips. TP1 or maybe final TP would be there. But we have to wait. I have to wait with this. We have to wait for the candle to close. If it wants to drop to that sell side at 25.50-ish level, then before it retraces back up, then it is what it is. The future market has opened. Maybe we will get some volume. Maybe. It's a very tight position. I might only gonna go for a 1-to-1 position, but we do have targets. Oh, maybe we have some more targets up there. So I'm watching this one closely and putting a pending order. Actually, I already have a pending order here. This EA is going to risk $100 if it taps into that fair value gap. I need a 10 pip price range, which we have it here. Why don't you short from the recent order block? Because I don't think it's gonna go up there. If it goes back up there, if you mean this order block here, if it goes back there, I might take another short, but then it will take out my stop loss. Yes. So I don't want to wait for it to go back up because I think it's gonna take out this low sooner than it's gonna go back up. Of course, I could be wrong. No, the last order block just below. Oh, really? Is there an order block? I don't see any order block. Not the... Oh, here. Okay. Well, basically it's inside. If you mean this, it's not a perfect order block. I don't see an order block. Maybe I'm stupid. Maybe I'm the one who is missing the point. This candle is closing in 3 seconds. So my pending limit order is valid from now, guys. But if it wants to drop, I think it's going to drop. Then so be it. So we have a pending sell limit with the 10 pips stop loss, and with the TP1 also at around 25.50-ish level. That's the only trade which we have as an extra. I think it will... I don't see that order block. I meant the blue candle wick right below your sell limit. Dude. The blue candle wick. Oh, you mean this? hold on. You mean this? Yeah, it could be. If you mean this, including this as well, it can be considered as an order block. Sorry, you see, I'm totally blind. I didn't really consider that. I mean, this is the only. Just the wick. Dude, I'm sorry, I'm stupid, but this is the only thing I see right now. Anyway, I'm sorry, Karen, but I maybe this one or maybe this one. Maybe you refer to this one. It can be, you know. Maybe. Maybe. But for now, I would be just happy with this fair value gap here. Most likely, I'm always entering on the fair value gaps. So, oh, you mean this? Yeah, yeah. I was mentioning I could, yeah, it could be considered as an order block. Almost this one as well. So yeah, it can be considered. Yeah. sorry. I'm stupid. Sorry, but not the perfect order block I would go with. I don't really like the shape of it, but maybe it could be. Yeah. Order flow, you think? Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. We should call ICT and ask him. Guys, don't forget to drop a like, you know. Hey man, I'm learning every day. Although I have a fairly good definition of what an order block looks like, and technically this could be considered as one. I just have this sentence in my head that you have to look at the body of the candle, and if I look at the bodies, it can be still considered, especially that this one took out that structure or swing low, so it could be. Okay, now I don't like this euro-dollar sell limit order. Don't really like it so far. What's the dollar index is doing? Nothing. What's gold doing? Nothing. So if pound would go back into this gap, then I would say we have a possible entry there. But for now, as you can see, it's just a pending order, not doing anything. We're waiting. We're not entering any trade until we don't get to those levels where we want to go. I need the optimal trade entry. To have that range. Guys, as I said, like button, and if someone wants to support me, just head to pip.ninja, check my Patreon site and my blog. Since I'm trying to be here every day, the stream needs some support. I need some support. But anyway, thank you so much for being here and staying here. And, you know, means a lot to me from you guys. I can't thank enough for everyone. Alright, let's look at gold. Would be nice to see this long wick candle being repriced, at least to mid threshold. S&P, look at that. I don't know what S&P is doing, but let's check Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq. Oh my god, this is the weekly Nasdaq. Ooh, we're so high. Nasdaq is basically doing nothing. You know, if I see something good on index futures, I might take it, but the problem is the spread. Okay, so far looks like pound wants to take out this sell side without retracing back to that fair value gap. Actually, it went there with only one tick, maybe. So it might just drop sharply. Stock exchange open is still like 47 minutes away. Slow day so far, slow day. Okay, I think I'm scratching this euro dollar trade. There. Scratch that trade. Only looking at pound right now to take out that sell side. We have another sell side for yesterday's low here, so all I'm doing is waiting for retracement into that gap to midpoint. I know it's boring. I know. So we have one limit order placed on pound. If we get a retracement there. Otherwise, nothing. No news, so Just sharing my analysis on EUR USD as per your point. Buy side liquidity taken out. Now we head to a demand zone for bullish retracement. This would be the bottom demand zone. The one above is inducement. Might look to short to that zone. Yeah. Why not? You know. Yeah, it can happen. Absolutely. This would be the bottom demand zone. The one above is inducement. Could happen. Could happen. Could happen, guys. I wish I could post a screenshot for simplicity. Dude, I have this Stream Elements bot. I don't even know what to do with it, because it's for, you know, it's against spam links and, you know, those chat bots. And I'm such a bad geek, you know. I'm not a geek, actually. I don't really know much about these things. One of my friends helped me set up this bot. I have no idea how to control it for now, but I know what you mean. I mean, I think. Okay, so I thought that we are running for the sell side here. We might still be. But the thing is, on the pound, this is the pound, we did a structure break. So it would be great for pound to stake out this sell side here and here. The hourly, we have a clear structure break. So I'm looking for this to retrace into that fair value gap and boom, take out the sell side liquidity from market Sunday market open. By the way, maybe I'm looking it wrong, but this right here, let me go to trading view on the euro. On the 15-minute chart, I don't know. I still have to check for this. But this here, this two candle, that red and green candle, is like a bullish order block. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, you can try to post the link, but I think the bot is disabling every link. I will have to recalibrate that. Okay, we are at the fair value gap again. With the pound. Entry is still valid. Entry is still valid. So we'll still have to wait. Okay, I'm just looking at Nasdaq for a change. Looks like it wants to go higher. S&P, nothing, hard to read. We have a historical high there, so yeah. I would prefer this one to go higher. Anyway. I'm just hovering, jumping all around the charts. Ah. I don't see anything on gold as well. If I would have to bet on gold, there's a fair value gap, you know. This, it's on the 15-minute chart, also on the 5-minute. This can be acting as a support level. So I would favor the upside still on gold. And to be honest, I would like the euro to drop, but I have no valid entry for that. Maybe this could be an order block. I'm not entering into anything. I'm not entering into anything. Waiting here. Oh, Miss Healthy FX, you definitely deserve an applause here. Good to see you. Good to see you there. Drop a like, you know. How are you doing? I managed to pass phase 1 on FTMO last week, so that's a good news. But this is a brand new account because I'm already doing phase 2. Phase 1 is okay. But this is a brand new account. You should check my new video and I'll explain it there. I bought a 25k challenge account at my Founded FX only for $100. So it was a discount. So I just couldn't let it go. And I'm going to be using this as a challenge to how to turn $100 to 1,000. It's very simple. Reach phase 1, reach phase 2 and make 6% profit. Boom. It's so easy. That easy. How are you doing, my Healthy FX? Miss Healthy FX, oh my god, I mispronounced your name. Miss Healthy FX. I'm tired, dude. I have my coffee here and I slept. I was relaxed. I slept whole weekend. I was relaxed. I was, you know, still. I just can't speak. I can't speak. So as of now, I'm waiting for a possible pending short order from this fair value gap to take out this sell side liquidity from Sunday market open on pound. This is the pound dollar. We still have a order which is at break even from London session. So far today, not too much happened. This is the 25k account having $74 in profit as per balance. So not that exciting, I know that. And I'm waiting for pound to step inside that fair value gap, and then I will go short and take out sell side. So far, that's the plan. Let's see the dollar index. So far, it's good. No major structure shift there. I hope that it will continue up. So it's fine. Oh, guys. It's a slow day. It's a slow day. Do not force anything. Yeah, so I think pound is just gonna go down and take it out. It's like 5 pips away, so not a big deal. Okay. This is the 1 minute. Shorted EU or USD based on lower time frame confluence. Really? Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, you know, it can go down. I definitely agree. I definitely agree. There is a small structure break. Let's zoom it out. Small structure break here. Fair value gap here. Buy side taken here. You can go all the way down here to that consolidation. Yeah, you could be all right. Definitely. You're in a premiums array, so absolutely. You have all the chance. You have all the chance there. This is the 15 euro and this is the 5-minute euro dollar. And the pound is gonna go to the target. Only 2 pips away. It's gonna take it out, that's for sure. I would be lying if I would not try to maybe scalp it. But I think it's gonna go down. Yeah, we don't have a range, so I'm not scalping it. I try to, Karen, because I try to build a community. So tomorrow I'm not sure about the New York session because I do have some stuff to do, but I try to build up this this trading online career, which I'm doing. And to build up community, I need some subscribers, some people who I can share information with. So that's why I'm doing my Patreon. Yeah, I try to stream most likely every day. All right, I'm scrapping the pound trade. There. Pound reached sell side. So basically there's nothing to do here. Nothing to do. Maybe we have a potential to go long on S&P to take out the historical high. So I try to stream almost every day, yeah, by the way. It's very exhausting, to be honest, to stream and to trade. And I know why ICT said it now. So he said he already said like last year as well that it's very hard to stream and trade. And I agree. It's so hard to just, you know, talk to myself most of the time, analyze the market constantly. It's yeah. It's hard. Let's see. What's the low of this candle? 125.49.4. 49.3. It went lower with one tick. Okay. Okay, we have 27 minutes until stock exchange open, and that's it for now. So far, nothing to see. We still have that gold trade open. Nothing else. We had the break even on pound and the partial profit on gold. What trade do you have running? Well, I was trading gold actually, as you can see right here. I was taking partial profit. This was the gold trade. These other ones are pound trades. I'm going to show you. Otherwise, I didn't do anything. This has been taken, as you can see, on the 15-minute. But also it was good on the 5-minute. My entry was off a few pips. I entered late because when I saw this wick, I immediately wanted to enter. So TP1 was reached. TP1 is up there. I'm reaching for this to be repriced at the mid-level at least. This long wick 15-minute candle. So we have a partial already at break even. And otherwise I was hoping for the pound to reach 126 here. This is 126. My TP was at 126, and the highest point of this candle was 25.99.6. So my TP was off 0.4 pips. So I ended up break even here. No, somewhere here. I don't even know what the hell. How was it? But I know it was. Oh yeah, I closed it manually. There you go, actually 25.99.9. That was my TP, 25.99.9. I tried to scalp it again a few times, but didn't really go there, so I exited, fortunately with no loss. So that was only thing I did today. Nothing extra. And this is the new 25k my funded FX account so far. Check my video, I explain everything there of why I started this account. Actually, it's called $100 to $1,000 challenge. Okay, so pound now spiked down properly. Could be looking for a long entry. So far, nothing. Nowhere. Very, very slow price action. It's slow. It's a slow day, guys. Stock exchange opens up in 22 minutes. 23 almost. Oh my god. Give me a minute, I have to check something. I'll be right back, and please drop a like. Give me 1 minute, thank you. Nobody goes nowhere. Okay, I am back. Seems like gold is gonna be destroyed. Okay, so far nothing. So far nothing. Damn it. I can't see with this. I mean it's so blurry. I do have, of course, my glasses here, but yeah, I need new glasses for sure. So pound taken, sell side, euro, nothing. What's dollar index doing? Getting stronger. That's why gold is having a hard time. Okay, so gold traded below this wick, and most likely if it's gonna close this 15-minute candle below this wick, then this trade is over. Have to wait, guys, have to wait. But, you know, we can still wait for a possible long entry on pound. I don't know. Euro is just messy. It's sideways. Seems like I may get a trade in the next 2 hours. Yeah, well, you may get a trade in the next 2 hours, maybe. Do you think there's gonna be a setup, maybe, Armin? Let me know. I want to make some quick bucks here. Okay, on the 1 minute, look at that. Look at the 1 minute. It's crazy. My god, we have a 1 minute. We have a 1 minute entry on pound, guys, actually. Should I take it? The problem is that the stop is too tight. Yeah, it's less than 5 pips. We have a structure break. We have a fair value gap. Stop is too tight, but we can risk it with the biscuit. Look at that on the 1 minute. Interesting. It's technically in a fair value gap, right? I'm trading something different, and yeah, maybe if I'm lucky. Oh yeah, you mentioned it. You've been here since 11. Oh my god, dude. That's like... That's crazy. I mean... Okay, so what I'm looking here is this fair value gap right here. Buy side could be up there. Oh, okay, RK. Hey there. I'm just looking at possible entries. Yeah, you're welcome, Karan. Thank you very much for being here. Thanks for the like. And hope to see you next time as well. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being here. Okay, so we have... maybe a possible entry. I don't know. 1 minute time frame. Don't really favor this. I need like... Alright, you know what? We're in, guys. Maybe I should not have entered this easy. But we are in a trade. TP1 should be right around... Why did I enter? Hold on, why did I enter? So TP1 should be right... where is TP1, by the way? Let's check TP1. Yeah, right before that fair value gap on the 5 minute chart. We're only risking $100 on this. So hope to see pound return to that 5 minute fair value gap for TP1. I didn't even know how much pips is that. That's 7 pips. Around 7 pips. No news so far. We're only waiting for stock exchange open. Let's see what it does. Partial profit is gonna be taken before that fair value gap. We have quite a few targets up there, to be honest. Oops. I don't want to hit anything here. I mean, it did take out a sell side, so it would be only fair to go back to that 5-minute fair value gap, right? I mean, it would be great. It's a good target for TP1 at least. We don't really need too much. We need like 4 pips. Gold is gonna get closed. Yeah, gold has been taken out at break even. It's completely fine. Okay. So that's the gold trade. Only left with the pound. I don't know what to think. $30-minute. I would like to see a retracement. I don't need much. $6.8 pips actually. Don't know. I don't like the price action. Yeah, maybe dollar index can help us. Hard to tell. Man, I don't like this. I might close it. Damn it. Don't like the price action here. All right. Closed it. Don't like it. I don't care. Close the trade. Don't like what it's doing. Now he's gonna go to TP1, right? I would much more likely jump into a buy position on the 5-minute, but there was no structure break. We're still bearish on every time frame here, and my problem is that this 15-minute candle, I didn't see that because I was lazy. This 15-minute candle with the long tail, the long wick here, just don't like it. It can be a wick fill, you know. It can do a wick fill and then I'm out. So I'm glad I closed it. I'm glad I closed it. Anyway, we are out from the gold trade with break even. I already logged it to the stream log. But it seems like gold wants to take out yesterday's low. So, you know, that's something to watch for. We have almost relative equal lows here. Interesting. Oh, wow. Look at the daily on gold. Look at the daily. Look at this flat line here. It's so flat. No wicks on these candles. This is like magnetic. This candle also is a magnet. We'll see. Yeah, look at that pound went all the way down. It could turn around, but you know, might be good for a 5-minute entry if we have one. I would be much rather take a 5-minute entry, not a 1 minute. I was having so much trouble nowadays with the 1-minute entries. Yeah, it's dangerous. Okay, this is gold again. Sell side is down there, 1954-ish level. Definitely a structure break on the 15-minute. Let's look at the hourly. On the hourly, it will go for a structure break with this one. So if it retraces to the first fair value gap, I think I'm just gonna jump in there. This is the 1-minute gold, but I would need it to stay around the midnight opening range to go short on this one. And I would also like to see it stay above this sell side here at 1956.56. I'd like to see that stay above there. Let's just draw a fair value gap here. Right there. And let's wait. Candle is closing soon. We might be having something here. Dollar index. Oh my god, look at the dollar index is like a barcode. It's nothing. It's doing absolutely nothing. Oh my god. It's so good I got out from that pound trade. Oh. But I'm considering next sell side is here, by the way, so I thought that it's gonna have like a nice little spike to the upside, but that fair value gap is just left there. 5-minute closed. We have a fair value gap there. 5-minute there. This would be a pending order. What the? Okay. I don't like this EA that much. Okay, that would be a pending sell limit order. We're gonna be risking $100 on this. If it taps into that, then it's great. 56, yeah. 56. Yeah, it should be quite alright. Okay, it's gonna going down. And pound wants to take out sell side as well. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, alright, alright. Oh my god, everything is going crazy. New sell side on pound is right here. Looking for entries on pound. How far is that? It's 34. It's quite close. TP1 should be right there. Okay, we have a range of almost 10 pips. Yeah. Almost 10 pips range. 9.5. We'll see if we get it or not. Oh wow. Look at that. Did it take out? No, it didn't. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Messed it up. I don't mind, I just messed it up with a small position, but I messed it up. It's a very small position, to be honest. And I might have messed up the pound trade. Come on, dude. There. That's what I was aiming for, but I messed up the entry, so. And my risk reward is off. Oh my god, it's terrible. 6.6 pips. I messed up, guys. I messed it up. Oh my god, I messed up the risk reward. It's terrible, actually. I might have to widen my stop to my original Stop loss here. Should have been here. Okay. Very bad entry. Very, very, very bad. On the pound. It's disastrous entry on my side. All because of the EA, by the way. Just saying. Disastrous entry. Might gonna lose it here. Both positions are quite small, so I mean, it's all right, but still, you know, what a mess. At least it's a 1-to-1, so we're gonna go with that. On pound as well. Maybe I should just close them down as break even. Should consider it. So terrible, oh my god, it's... Can't even look at it. It's so bad, I can't even look at it. At least stock exchange is open, but... Totally messed up. Oh man. So bad. So bad entry. Such a bad entry. Still. Why? Should take it out. I was forcing it too much. The overall risk account-wise is not, you know, not that big. I think around $170, so less than 1%. But I was really hoping for that this is going to be the one, trade-wise. And now we have a structure break. Perfect. Oh my god. What's the pound doing? Should be taking out that sell side. Should be taking out that sell side, but yeah, maybe it will. Maybe it will help us somehow. Take out that sell side. Putting it to break even. Okay, we're out from that. Exiting the gold trade, and we're out. All right. So absolutely a terrible risk management here. Exited the gold at break even, but so far did an extra $80. So I mean, money wise, I did risk it. Yeah, but it was a good one, so I think we deserve an applause. Money wise, on this account, I screwed up the entry for the pound. Definitely I screwed up. So today we made a little bit over 0.5% on this new 25k account. So far it looks good. I closed the gold because look at gold. Oh my god, look at gold. I might reconsider I might consider to re-enter if we get close to that level. Oh my god. So gold, I didn't like it because it made this yes, I think I'm gonna call it because this made a structure break here, and if you really consider it, it could have been a possible long entry here, you know, and it still is. So that's why I got scared, you know. It got back down here and I thought, all right, we're just gonna close it because if it wants to fly, it can go all the way up, even by leaving this sell side untouched. So for me, I got cold feet. I'm a chicken. I don't care. I'm a chicken. And look at that. If someone wants to enter a long and to take the risk, then this is the exact point to go long on gold. Stops didn't taken out. I would not enter anything on gold right now. Not even shorting. Well, maybe after it takes this. If this candle would have taken out this. Let me go a little. Let me zoom in. So if this candle would have taken out this with the structure break, then I would consider to go short again with the scalp. But not like this. I don't like this. Is a structure shift basically, and I got scared. So I would say we have 2 winners today. I'm not counting another break even. Look at this, it's gonna go up. It's not going to respect that low. It stays bullish and it wants to go up. Let's check it here. Yeah, it's a bullish order block here. Oh no, well, it's not, sorry, I take that back. Oh, maybe it is. Almost. So dangerous area on gold. But at least pound took out the sell side. Pound took out sell side liquidity. My only problem is that money wise I wanted to risk a full $100 minimum on this trade for TP1, and instead I got exited at $82 because my entry was off. So that's why it's important to enter even with just 1 pip in a better place, you know. It's what it is. We made more than 0.5% on the account in 1 day. What's the balance? Oh, it's not updated yet. It still says $84. It's not updated yet. It's gonna update. Let me refresh it again. But it has the trades here so far. We're gonna refresh it soon. Yeah, look at euro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. And look at the pound. Okay. Now look at gold. Yes. Oh my god. Look at it. So if someone wanted to enter gold on the 1 minute, this was a nice entry here, but I got scared. I got scared, and the problem is we have sell side here. So that's why I think it's a risky scenario to enter right there. What about euro? Euro, there's nothing. Pound took out sell side. Nicely done by a pound. I would like to go long, but I think it should be better to call it a day. Definitely. Because markets opened up and you know, not really much to see here. Gold is scary, man. Gold scares me. I would like to take a short on gold, but only if it would drop with a displacement on the 1 minute. Otherwise, so far it seems like it just wants to go up back there and reprice that range. So if my entry would be a little bit above here, somewhere around this area, then my risk management would be better and I would have made the $100 money-wise on the account, but it's still alright. We are up $151. Let's refresh it. Maybe it should refresh it for us now. It's still not refreshing it. That's crazy. How much time does it need? I guess it needs some time to update. All right. Pound is going lower. Okay, here you go. Gold. Tempting, although I must say, but it's so close. If we don't get any kind of retracement, it's just not worth the jump in. 25 pips. I would love to see gold take out this low here. Bitcoin is dropping a bit, not too much. Euro, what about euro? Euro is doing nothing. Still bearish. We're still in premium on euro. I'm 80% positive I'm going to get an entry soon. Really? On which pair? Which pair? On euro? I think gold should take out this low, even just with a spike or something. Then I would consider to go long, but you know the problem is that it's, the silver bullet hour is coming from 10 a.m. New York time, so that can help us. Euro NZD, wow. All right, man. Well, you know, your decision. Your decision there. Look at pound. Pound wants to go deeper. I have no targets on pound. It's 4 hour, 1 hour. You have a fair value gap on the 1 hour here. Right now. This fair value gap. It's not perfect. It's not perfect as well, but we are in a fair value gap almost on the 1 hour. Wow, look at this. S&P almost tapped into sell side. Well, it tapped into sell side, but who knows how much. Relative equal highs up there. I would really love to see this one shoot all the way up. Oh my god. S&P. Oh my god, S&P, S&P, oh my god. Look at that. Oh. Now I'm nervous. I'm just nervous. I'm nervous. We do have... Uh-huh. S&P is tempting. Look at that. Took out buy side. It's a perfect model right here. Problem is we have sorry, it took out sell side. The problem is we still have sell side here. So I would not be entering any long position on S&P until it takes out that sell side. Same would go for Nasdaq, I think. Oh my god, it's the barcode. Look at that, it's going up. It wants to go up. It was the perfect entry, by the way. Right here, in this area, was the perfect entry for S&P 500, just saying. To go long. But it didn't take out sell side, look at that. That's my problem. So, no trade there. Euro is dropping. Pound is in the 1 hour fair value gap. Gold is dropping. Oh my god, look at gold. This is the 1 minute. Alright, guys. Get ready. We have 20 seconds. Oh my god, this is not good. I don't have the range. 18. I don't have the range for this. Most likely I'm not gonna take it. I do not have the range to scalp this one. Yeah, it's gonna go down. All right. Okay. So gold took out sell side. Very nice. It can drop all the way from here. Pound is there. What is dollar index doing? Dollar index. Oh my god, look at that. Dollar index is going to go into that 1 hour gap which I was mentioning. Which means we have sell side on euro here. And we have sell side another one here. Wow, it's beautiful. 4 points. I would love to go short. I would love to go short here, but it's gonna go without me. Euro is gonna go without me, I think so. Damn you, Euro. Where's the swing? Yeah. Euro is leaving the station without us, guys. Because dollar index is gonna go higher. That's why. It's gonna tap into that fair value gap. And the euro is going to leave us. Problem is we don't even have a range. 5 points from this candle. It's not enough. Well, maybe, I don't know. Not jumping into anything, don't worry. Pound is dropping lower. Next target is this fair value gap. Right here. Okay. Okay, euro's taking out sell side there. That's it. Everything is gone. So far, I don't see anything that is worth to mention. So what did we do wrong or right today? I didn't enter a short on gold because although it had an entry, but I was not comfortable entering short because it didn't take out buy side. That's it. I think that's it. What do we have? Consolidation. This is resistance here, or support, we can call it. S&P wise, let's see. S&P is not doing anything. Entering the final hour. I mean, not the final hour, but the silver bullet time. Guys, if someone is new here, could you please drop a like? Thank you so much, and sub to the channel because there's gonna be lots of interesting stuff coming on with this. All right. That's the hourly. Yeah, hourly fair value gap. So, technically speaking, on the hourly, it made a very nice structure break. So that's cool. Now, if we want to go bearish on the hourly, we still need some kind of a retracement to the upside, which can help us to search for a long position on the lower time frames on pound. Took out yesterday's low. So, what about dollar index? Dollar index went into that 1 hour fair value gap. Now here comes the question, what does dollar index wants to do now? Does it want to turn downwards? It can easily, as you can see it on the 1 minute dollar index. What would that give us on pound? Problem is I don't want to go into any new position from here. There's nothing here. Nothing to be seen. I would just be chasing trades. Let's see if it refreshed it or not. Oh, now it's fine. All right. So it has been refreshed. The equity is here, 25,151, 0.6% today. Okay, so that's 1 day. I think we're very good. 1 day profit. Net profit is $151 on this 21K account. We're fine. All right. So far it was a great day, great start, if I should say. Maybe we'll have some stop losses, hopefully not, but it was a good start for the account. The target is $2,000. They already made 151 with very low risk. I was risking technically less than $100 per trade, so I think it's all right. Okay, guys, I'm not sure I want to chase anything here. It's a really good start. 0.6% in 1 day for anyone. I think with very low risk, I must say. My money wise, I did not risk more than $100, so that is less than 0.5% risk. So I think it's fine. Although I was a little bit lucky by closing a trade break even. Anyway, it's still all right. I'm happy with the trades so far. It's quite all right. I'm gonna be trading low risk this account, and let's hope I can prove to myself as well and to many of you guys that it's possible to turn $100 to 1,000. Okay, but we are at the very beginning of the whole process, so please follow the channel, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, and I think I'm gonna call it for today. We had an awesome session. It was slow, but it was still good. And guys, I think this is it. See you guys on the London session. And thanks for joining. Check out my Patreon, subscribe as a supporter, join the team, join the membership. See you guys hopefully tomorrow. All right, have a great one. Cheers.